Hello there everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video we're gonna create a horror movie poster in Adobe Photoshop. The idea is very simple. Here we have our subject hiding and one scary guy standing there. We'll be adding lots of objects and shadows, highlights, smokes, texture and many more. So without any further ado, let's get started. First I need to select the subject. Pen tool is boring but it will give you the best result. For the background, I'll be using this forest photo. I'll turn this into night later. I need a tree behind her. This is where she will be hiding, or she thinks she is hiding. Now I need someone who is trying to attack her. I can use this guy, but it needs a lot of adjustments. Maybe I need to change his shoes and also the head. Let's use the puppet verb to fix the position of the hands and the legs. But still, I don't like it. I'll use this guy instead. I need to make some changes here as well. I want him to hold a knife. For that I need to rotate his hand to the right just a bit, but that will require a lot of work. I'll use the puppet verb again so that it looks like he's holding a knife. It doesn't have to be perfect since this will be kind of a silhouette. I also wanna place a car here. I could just add some lights behind the guy, but that way you cannot see the car and also that's kind of cliche. Also in the background, we must have a moon. This can be a good light source. Now I need to turn them into a night scene. One easy way is to use the color lookup table. The moonlight light gives a good starting point. I can use a curve adjustment layer to make it even darker. Now I just need to copy them for the other objects. Placing the moon behind these trees can be a little tricky. Blend if or changing the blend modes won't work here. So I can use the channels. If channels don't work, then I have to do it manually and that will take forever. But the good thing is channel selection works. In the background there are some windows in the castle. If I add some yellow or orange lights, then that will be a good contrast in the blue environment. For the car, I want to turn on those lights. I'm gonna add some yellow lights. Again, this will be a good contrast. Let's add some shadows in the curve. I will change the blend mode to multiply and add different layers of shadows. Time to add highlights. For the curve, there will be both yellow and blue highlights. Now let's add the shadows for the man. First I'm gonna add the contact shadow. Then I will make a selection of the whole body and fill it with black on a separate layer. Now just flip it. Also I need to add some blur in it and make it less visible as it goes further away from the subject. Now I'm gonna add the highlights. It will be similar to the car highlights. Now for our main subject. Let's first add the highlights in the tree. In real world, probably there won't be this much highlights, but for the sake of art, I'm gonna add a lot of highlights. Besides, adding more highlights make it look cool. Also, I wanna add some of these in the eyes. What do you call it? Kohl, I guess? Anyway, whenever you have kohl or whatever is this and you cry, it gets kinda messed up. I'm trying to show this in her face. Also, I'll add some tears. Maybe this won't work here. I guess I just have to paint it. It will be very subtle, but it should be there. Next, I'm gonna add some smokes and particles. I can add some cuts or wounds in her face. I will take it from this photo and now I just need to blend it. I almost forgot. I need to add some blood in the knife. It will be very dark since the man is kind of a silhouette. I made some changes here and there, like the eye color of the lady, added blur in the background and a camera raw filter, and here is the final result. If this is a movie poster, then it must have a name. Suggest me some imaginary horror movie name for this movie poster and write it in the comment section. I'll post it with the name in my Instagram. I opened another YouTube channel where I upload the full unedited version of the total process. You can watch it if you want. I'll share the link in the description. Anyway, like, share and subscribe for more videos and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.